Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of pound dollar GBP USD. So if you are watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I was absent for 3 days, but more or less I'm regular. So you can subscribe. So let's get started. First of all, I would like to talk about DXY because as we all know, since the war started, DXY, gold, oil, all are flying. But yesterday we saw good sell-off, heavy sell-off on dollar as well as gold and others. DXY made a high of 99.41 and ultimately settled down at 98.13. Right now it is trading at 98.13. This is the current market price here. If we look at the overall structure of DXY, then we can easily see that overall structure, the overall uptrend is still very much present. But we can also see a bearish flag here. So if DXY fails to hold the present support level, present support means the 50 moving average as well as the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement. So if DXY fails to hold the present support level and falls, then yes, there will be a problem with the present structure, and yes, the whole trend of the market will change. But yes, one thing also we cannot forget that yes, this war is not over. The war is still going on. So overall, this is a very chaotic situation in the market right now, and as I have been saying for the last couple of days and weeks, that my dear friends, this is a news driven market, news sensitive market. You must be very careful, use proper stop loss and risk management. Okay, so in this case right now, you must be very careful with the chart because you can see that DXY is trying to hold the support, but right now market does not have the power yet. Okay, if DXY breaks, then yes, we will see some good buying on Euro USD, GBP USD, those who have been witnessing selling for a long time. Okay, so keep your one eye on DXY right now. Now let's look at our beloved GBP USD. Right now trading at 1.3170. And when DXY started falling, GBP USD also witnessed good buying. Unlike the Euro USD, the buying on GBP USD was not that convincing enough. Okay, but yes, there are many GBP USD lovers. For them, I would like to mention that right now, as of now, if you ask me, Avilash, where should we trade? Then yes, I have only got two levels for you. Honestly, first of all, 1.3220, 1.3230. This is a resistance for the market. If market goes up also, there is a possibility that market will be reversing from this level. Why? Because in this market we do not see that buying power, the bullish power, the raw buying power here. Unlike the Euro USD. In the Euro USD chart, we have a bullish flag formation, but in this chart, we don't have anything as such. So as a result, there's a good possibility that if market goes up also, market will be facing some kind of trouble, some kind of selling pressure around this level, and we can expect selling. Okay, so if market goes up, observe the market carefully. If market reverses from this level, we can definitely take a sell position. How do we get the confirmation? The confirmation will be in the form of a shooting star. It will be in the form of a bearish pin bar or bearish engulfing pattern. Once you get the confirmation that yes, market is struggling to cross this level, we can definitely take a sell position around this level. Because see, we have a trend line coming from the top as the dynamic resistance, as well as we have the Fibonacci retracement levels. So if we combine these two factors, then we can see that overall there is a good possibility of market reversing from this level. And we can also see that unlike the other pairs, we do not see good recovery on the GBP USD chart as well. On the bottom side, we have this 1.3090, 1.3080, the bottom made by the market. So if market comes down during the daytime, then observe the market around this level. If market bounces, well and good, you can definitely take a buy position. But yes, observation is always important. Because see, observation, why it is important? Because we are traders, we have our capital, and it is our moral duty to protect our hard-earned money. As you know it very well that I focus very much on protection of our hard-earned money. So yes, I also request you, once market comes down to this level, observe the market and see how the market is reacting. If you see that market is trying to take support around this level, yes, there is a possibility, good possibility. If market support लेता है, अगर bounce करता है तो हम buy कर सकते हो. Yes, if market takes support and bounces, you can definitely take a buy position. But if market breaks it, if you see that market has come to the support but selling pressure is too high, बड़े बड़े लाल candle form हो रहे हैं, market is forming big red candles, then there is a possibility that market will not be taking support, market will be breaking the support and going down. In that case हम sell कर सकते हैं, we can take a sell position below this level. That's why observation is extremely important, because no level is permanent in the market and it is our money, our capital. So it is our responsibility to protect it, isn't it? So, whatever you do, please follow proper risk management, use stop loss. My analysis, I can be wrong as well. Nobody is 100% accurate in the market. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow.